Hello, I'm Hank Quentz, and I've self-published and marketed more than 2 dozen books, both fiction and nonfiction. I know exactly what works and what doesn't. My coaching plans will either get your manuscript professionally published, or if your book is already out, I'll help you build a strong marketing foundation so you can actually reach readers and see results. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 coaching services designed specifically for authors: self-publishing do-it-yourself, self-publishing done for you, book marketing basics, do it yourself, and book marketing basics done for you. Each one is built to give you practical, realistic support so you're not guessing your way through publishing or throwing money at random marketing tactics. You'll see where you can roll up your sleeves and do it yourself, and where it might make sense to bring in expert help so you can stay focused on your writing. These services are for authors who are serious about their books but don't want to waste time or money figuring it all out the hard way. Maybe this is your first book and you're overwhelmed by the tech and the steps. Or maybe you're already published but sales are flat and you suspect you're missing some key pieces. If you're hungry for a clear roadmap and honest guidance, not hype, then you're in the right place. I organize my work with authors into 2 areas: self-publishing and book marketing. In each area, you can choose between a do-it-yourself plan, where you do the implementation following an extensively detailed whiteboard, and the done-for-you option, where I handle all the heavy lifting and you learn how to do it for your next book. Let's talk about the self-publishing plans first. The self-publishing do-it-yourself plan is for you if you want to stay in control, learn the process, and keep costs down. The goal is that by the end, you will have a complete, realistic, step-by-step plan to take your manuscript from draft to published book on platforms like Amazon, KDP, and others with a professional level book package instead of a homemade one. In the do-it-yourself self-publishing plan, you'll follow a detailed checklist that covers everything: editing, interior formatting, ISBN choices, print versus ebook decisions, and the distribution options. It also covers decisions like pricing and the marketing work that must be done before the manuscript can be uploaded to platforms such as KDP and others. In the do-it-yourself self-publishing plan, you do the work following the whiteboard layout, but I'll be available to review and answer questions. The self-publishing done-for-you option is for authors who don't want to wrestle with file formats, dashboards, and endless how-to videos. The goal here is simple. You hand off the technical and administrative tasks, and I do the work so you end up with a professional quality book package. You still approve all key decisions, but you avoid the frustration and move from manuscript to published book much faster. With done-for-you self-publishing, I set up and optimize your book on your chosen platforms, coordinate with vetted professionals for editing, cover design, and formatting if needed, and make sure all the invisible pieces are aligned. That includes choosing the right categories, refining keywords, and strengthening your book description and landing pages so you're not leaving sales on the table. We begin with a kickoff call to clarify your goals, your timelines, and your preferences. Things like formats, pricing, and where you want the book to be available. After that, I handle implementation and bring you only the decisions and approvals that truly need your voice. You receive regular progress updates and a clear launch checklist so you know exactly what's happening and when, without having to manage all these moving parts yourself. Now let's move on to book marketing. The book marketing basics do-it-yourself plan is built around a simple but a powerful idea. Before you spend money on a lot of ads, you need a solid foundation. We focus on 3 main steps: strengthening your landing page, building out your author platform, and then choosing targeted tactics so your marketing effort has something to stand on. The outcome is a realistic, repeatable plan that you can use on this book and the next. In the do-it-yourself marketing plan, you start by strengthening your book's landing page. That's the place where the sale actually is won or lost. Then you walk through your author platform, your website, basic media kit, and your key social and reader-facing sites like Goodreads and BookBub. Finally, you design a starter strategy that fits your time and budget, covering outreach for reviews, simple social media habits, and the basics of building an email list so you can reach readers directly. In your do-it-yourself marketing plan, you focus on one building block at a time, whether that's your landing page copy, your author bio, or your first outreach campaign. You implement step by step using an extensive whiteboard as your guide. The emphasis is always on affordable, sustainable tactics that fit your life, not chasing every shiny new platform or gambling on big ad spends. The done-for-you version of Book Marketing Basics is for authors who know they need a strong marketing foundation but don't want to build it alone. The goal is to give you a professionally tuned landing page, a cleaner platform, and a focused targeting plan so you're reaching the readers most likely to care about your book. You walk away with an actionable launch or relaunch plan that you can start using right away. With Done-For-You Marketing Basics, I work directly on your assets. That can include rewriting or heavily editing your book description and landing page to make them more persuasive, advising you on website structure and media kit content, and helping you prioritize which author profiles and platforms really matter. We then design targeted starter campaigns for reviews, email list building, and curated promotional opportunities, so you're not just posting, "Buy my book," and hoping for the best. We begin with an audit of your current setup, your book page, website, social presence, and any marketing that you've already tried. From there, I propose specific fixes and improvements, then build or refine those pieces while you approve and provide input. When done, you'll have a solid marketing foundation that will greatly improve your book's positioning. The best way to decide is to talk about your specific book, your deadlines, and your comfort level with the different pieces. I offer a short discovery call in which we look at where you are in the process, what you've already tried, and what support would move the needle the fastest. From there, we can tailor one of our 4 services to your situation so you leave the call knowing exactly what your next step is, whether it's do it yourself, with or without guidance, bringing me in as an expert, or a combination of both.